Yeah, again, welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation for the part 1 of the circles. Introduction I gave you already and types of circles. First standard form I gave you, unit circle I gave you, point circle I gave you with the diagram. Now we are going to discuss about general equation of the circle. The previous one standard form of the circle and the second one that is general equation of the circle. So how we will get the general equation? Already we learned in first year maths 1B pair of straight lines. In pair of straight lines, we have a pair of straight line. A general second degree equation represent a pair of straight line. Then we have some conditions. I will give you for 2 minutes. If s equal to 0, we need that also here. That's why I'm writing. If s equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is a second degree general equation. This is a second degree general equation. This only will give us all the conic sections like parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and also pair of lines, pair of parallel lines. Everything will give this only. This is a second degree general equation. We learned in first year, if this represent a pair of straight line, which is not parallel pair of straight line, a pair of intersecting lines like this. If this represent a pair of straight lines, there we have a condition, not only one condition, 3 conditions, 4 conditions. There we have what? First condition, delta equal to ABC plus 2GHF minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square should be equal to 0. And also G square greater than or equal to, G square means FGH na ABC. FGH ABC. So G square greater than or equal to AC and F square greater than or equal to BC and H square greater than or equal to AB. If these conditions satisfy this equation, then that represent a pair of intersecting lines. If this represent a pair of parallel lines, also we have more 2 conditions. For parallel pair of lines, we have one condition is H square equal to AB and second condition is AF square equal to BG square. This already we learnt in first year maths B, pair of straight lines. Okay now. Here in first year this represent 2 different types of equations, pair of intersecting lines, pair of parallel lines. Now in second year this represent equation of circle, equation of parabola, equation of hyperbola, equation of ellipse, depending on the conditions, like these conditions. Okay, now what are the conditions to this represent a circle? So that I will give you. S equal to 0 is a second degree general equation. Represent a circle. Then very important condition. The first one is A should be equal to B should not be equal to 1. Means this and this x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be same but not equal to 0. If equal to 0, this will be vanished and this will be vanished. That's why these two should be equal but not equal to 1. Maybe 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 like that. Now what is the second condition to represent the circle? That is h should be 0. So if you observe in any circle equation, there will not be exist h. H not exist means there is no xy term. In any circle there is no xy term. Okay. So here h should be 0 means xy term should be eliminated. And the third one, that is only related to radius, that is g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Why not less than or equal to 0? Means this will give us the radius. Radius should be positive or 0. How zeros are? We know if 0 means that is which circle? Point circle. That's why it may be 0 and may be positive. If radius is positive, no problem. Some distance, point something or 1, 2, 3, whatever it is. Okay now. So here, if a second degree equation satisfies these 3 conditions, that is called circle. If any equation satisfying these 3 conditions, that is also called circle. And every circle satisfies these 3 conditions compulsory. You can check in your own way. If you take any circle from the textbook and check A and B same or not, and check is there h means is there xy term or not, and check g square plus f square minus ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Check if you will get less than 0, the equation will be wrong. But for every circle, these 3 conditions should be satisfied. Okay. So what is our theme? That is a second degree general equation represent a circle equation, then a b equal to a equal to b and not equal to 1 and h equal to 0 and g square plus f square minus ac should not be less than 0, should be greater than or equal to 0. Then if these three conditions satisfied this, it will converted into a circle equation. I said that is called general circle equation. Okay, so after some calculations which is no need to write or no need to copy, you will get a general circle equation. I am writing the general circle equation directly. The general circle equation is, I am writing directly general circle equation, that you will get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Actually you will get, you have to divide with a, since a equal to b, 2g by a and 2f by a and c by a, like that you will get actually before here. But after all calculation, simplification, you will get a general circle like standard circle. This is the general circle equation. So the general circle equation is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and this is also denoted with S. Okay, so the general circle equation, I am repeating you once again, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where since this is a circle, this is also having center and radius, we can convert into a general, say, standard form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. If you want that process, I will give you. If you want, I will give you, or you can see in your textbook, there is the proof how we can convert into standard form. What is standard form? We have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the standard form. We can convert this also in the standard form. After conversion, you will get this in this form. X plus, so you will get what? G, x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c root. So you will get this form. After conversion of this equation into standard form, you will get x plus z whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So r equal to root over that only, r square, right? So this is converted in this form. Now I am comparing this with the standard form. What is the standard form? Converted into standard form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. See, the process of conversion is not important. That's why I am not giving. Otherwise, by using perfect square method, we can convert easily. Okay, but the process is not important. For this, already we discussed that what? General second degree equation represent a circle by these conditions satisfied. We have the general circle equation. Give a box. This is the general circle equation. This general circle equation, since this is a circle having center and radius, that's why to find center and radius, we are converting into this form. Why? Because if you have this form, you can say easily center what? H comma k. Radius also what? R. That's why we are converting this into in this form. I wrote directly that step. Now we are comparing this with this standard form. Here in place of h we have g, k we have f, and r square we have this. So we can write what? Here x minus h, this is x plus g. So we can write what? H is equal to minus g. Why? Because if you write minus g here, x minus into minus plus g. So x plus g you will get. And k you will get what? Minus f. R square is what we have? You root over g square plus f square minus c. Then what? R equal to, wait, R equal to you will get, sorry, you will get this only. And after comparing, you will get R equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so this is radius, this is h value, this is k value, and we know the center is always h comma k, that is equal to minus g comma minus f, and radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. So you have to copy in your notebook what you know. If a second degree general equation represent a circle, then this one and this one satisfied, then the general circle equation is this. This is also having center and radius, and the center is this, radius is this, radius is this, center is this, radius is this. The process, what is this? You no need to copy, you no need to write anywhere. You have to know what is the general circle equation form, what is the center of the general circle, what is the radius of the general circle. Now I will give you the relation between standard circle and general circle. How we can convert standard to general, general to standard if given center and radius. I will explain you. See, I am taking one example. What is that example? Here only. No, here I will take. See, example. I am giving what? Center 2, 3. Radius 5 I am giving. This is the given data. I am asking to find the circle. We know if given h comma k center and radius r, then the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What is h? 2. X minus 2 whole square plus what is k? 3. Y minus 3 whole square is equal to r 5 square. Now expansion, a square plus b square 2 to the 4 minus 2ab 2 to the 4 into x 4x and plus a minus b whole square a square y square b square 3 3 is 9 and minus 2ab 2 3 is 6y which is equal to 25. Now one more step to get the perfect equation. First write x square, okay, then y square, okay, and then x terms only minus 4x, then y terms minus 6y, and now 9 plus 4 which is 13 plus 13 minus 25 equal to 0. Taking this side, then you will get the final equation 20. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle with the center 2, 3, radius 5. Now what I am telling you, if given center and radius, this is the circle equation. I said what? The circle which is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2jx plus 2y plus equal to 0 is general form. See, we wrote that only general form. Up to here only standard form, this is the general form. Now my question, for this, means general form we have. What is the center and radius? So, from center 2, 3, radius r equal to 5, we get this. Then the center of this is clearly 2, 3, radius of this also 5 only. Why? Because from this only we get this. Na? So, the center of this circle is 2, 3, radius of this circle is 5. Now, we will find by using these formulas. So if we will get center 2, 3 and radius 5, then we can conclude that if we given center and radius the equation, if given equation center and radius both are same. Now see, question. Now consider this is the question. Find center and radius is the question. If he asks center and radius, he will give equation. If he give center and radius, he will ask to find equation of the circle. So here given a circle equation, he is asking to find center and radius. To find center and radius, we need to know what? G, F and C. If you know G, F, C, just substitute here G, F and here G, F, C, you will get center and radius. To find G and F and C values, you have to compare this with the general form. So what is the general form I am writing here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. If you compare with the general form, x coefficients are same, so 2g equal to minus 4. Y coefficients also same, 2f is equal to minus 6. C is equal to minus 12. We have 2g, 2fc. We need gfc. So here just cancel 2 1 2 2 cancel. 2 1 2 3 cancel. G is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 12. We have g, f, c values. Now go to center formula. What is the center formula? Minus g comma minus f. Center formula minus g comma minus f. Now substitute here minus g comma minus f values. What is that? Minus g already minus. Minus into minus. Plus 2. F minus into minus plus 3. So 2 comma 3 is the center. Already we have 2 comma 3. Now radius. I am writing here radius which is equal to root over g square. What is g? Minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus c. What is c? Minus 12, but minus into minus plus 12. So which is equal to root over 2 square 4, 3 square 9 plus 12. 12 plus 9 plus 4 which is root 25 which is equal to 5. So which is radius? See what is the radius? 5 is the radius. So what I am going to tell you, if given center and radius, what you can find the circle will give again center and radius same. If given equation, we can find center and radius. If given center and radius, we can find the equation of the circle. Okay, so this is about the general form of the circle. The general form of the circle is this only: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, with the center minus g minus f, with the radius root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, now that's why only g square plus f square minus a equal to 1 here. That's why only c should be greater than or equal to 0. And remember one more thing I will tell you. If given any circle equation, I am writing here x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. I am giving a circle equation. Directly we can say what is g, what is f, what is c. C we can say easily c equal to minus 12. Since in place of c we have minus 12. C equal to minus 12. What about g? Directly how we can say means what is your value, write half of that value. See, g equal to what? Minus 2. Since 2g is the x coefficient here. Here only g. There is no 2 into, no? That's why here what you have, write by 2. So here minus 4 by 2 will be minus 2. And here f also same. What is your y coefficient? Minus 6. Write by 2. Minus 3. So half of the x coefficient is g, half of the y coefficient is f, and c is the constant, that is whatever it is there, that only c directly. And now you can write what is gf values, writes exactly here in place of gf, already minus, then minus minus plus. If there is plus, it will be minus. And we have the radius formula, root over g square plus f square minus c. Just substitute gf and c values here, you will get the radius. Okay, so this is about equation of the general circle, and which is from the second degree equation. And here I gave you what equation, finding center and radius. So this model questions we have in our textbook, Roman first exercise. I think more questions there for practice. Just see the textbook and solve the problems, or you can take any circle equation, any equation like this form. But you should understand that what you know, g square plus f square minus c should be greater than or equal to 0, such that you have to take the circle equation and find center radius. So these two are very important for first exercise in our textbook. And also please follow our videos, my videos in Instagram also. Just I think in 2 days before I created my account in Instagram for only these classes. Okay, and for next video, wait for some time.